Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your card security features with Capital One, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Capital One account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the dashboard. Select the card for which you want to verify security features. On the card details page, look for the Security Features option. Click on Security Features to access a list of available tools. Review features such as fraud monitoring, zero fraud liability, and alerts for suspicious activity. Ensure that your contact information is up to date for receiving alerts. Next, check if you have set up two-factor authentication. If you haven't enabled it yet, follow the prompts to activate two-factor authentication. You may need to provide a phone number or email for verification. Next, explore virtual card numbers if you want added security for online purchases. If available, follow the instructions to generate a virtual card number. Make sure to review your transaction alert settings as well. Adjust your alert preferences to suit your needs for notifications. Lastly, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the lost or stolen card feature. Know how to quickly report your card if it goes missing. After confirming all settings, log out of your Capital One account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.